Hey everyone and welcome back. My name is Ekta and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you one of my hair care routine that I have been following since a few months. This hair care routine has helped me to stop my hair fall. I would not say stop, but it has definitely helped me to reduce my hair fall to a very great extent. This hair care routine also helps you with other hair related problems such as dandruff, itchy scalp, scalp inflammation, premature hair graying and many others. So without wasting any single time, let's get started. For this, you just need an onion. The red onion is the best option as compared to white or yellow onion. Onion helps with alopecia, that is your bald spots, itchy scalp, it reduces hair loss, it reduces dandruff, prevents thinning of hair, it cures dry and brittle hair. It also stops premature graying and helps with scalp infection. All you have to do is take a single onion, cut it into small pieces and blend it in a mixer or a blender. You have to blend it in a really thin fine paste so that you can get the juice out of it. After blending it, you'll get this, and all you have to do is take this into a strainer. Just put a strainer above a small bowl like this and take out the paste in that strainer, and then you'll take out the juice through the strainer. Take a spoon and squeeze out the juice from the paste that you have collected. You don't need a single drop of water in this because the juice is enough from one onion that will be applied to your hair. After this, I'm going to add few drops of almond oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil, whatever is your own personal choice. Almond oil will help you to treat your hair damage. It will help to heal split ends, reduce hair loss, dandruff. It will cure dry and brittle hair. It will help with scalp infections and make your hair shiny and smooth. You just need half tablespoon of almond oil and mix it into the onion juice, and this is ready to be applied. So before applying this onto my roots, I'm going to detangle my hair using a wooden comb. I regularly use a wooden comb to detangle my hair. A wooden comb more easily distributes natural oil from the scalp throughout the entire strand because the oils are not sticking instead to the metal or plastic of a regular comb. It leaves your hair less greasy looking and healthier with the shine and bounce of nicely moisturized hair. This also increases blood circulation, resulting in more hair growth. So after detangling my hair, I'm going to use a section comb to take out sections to apply the onion juice onto my roots directly. So first of all, I'm going to take a middle parting like this, and slowly one by one I'll apply the onion juice onto my scalp. So you can use a cotton ball or a cotton pad to apply it directly onto your roots or your scalp. So let's get started. I'm going to apply it onto my roots directly. The juice mixed with the almond oil is going to provide you all the benefits that you need for your hair. You just need to massage it a little bit onto your roots so that the blood circulation increases and this juice is properly absorbed into your scalp. Step by step, you are going to take out sections and apply it onto the roots directly. Taking out sections will help to spread the juice all over your scalp very nicely. It will make sure that your whole hair or whole scalp is getting the nourishment from this onion juice. So this is the way you can use the section comb to take out the sections. If you don't have a section comb, you can use your regular comb if that helps. So now once we are done with one side, we are going to move on to the another side and start taking out the sections slowly. And similarly, you can just apply the juice using the cotton ball. If you don't have a cotton, also you can apply it with the help of your fingers as well and just keep massaging it. So once you are done with applying the juice in your front section, just take the front section and tie it with the help of a section clip or a small clutcher so that we can apply the juice on the back portion of our head, because that is the part which is difficult to reach. So I will tell you the method how to apply it properly onto the back side of your hair or your head. So this is how you first need to comb your hair with the help of the wooden comb, and start taking vertical sections with the help of a section comb like this. And this is the easiest way to apply the onion juice directly onto your roots. This will help you to spread the onion juice properly all over your hair. So this is the way you can follow to apply the juice. Just keep massaging and keep taking the juice from your bowl and keep applying it. After you're done applying the juice all over your hair, just open the tied hair, the tied section, and apply the leftover to all the places you feel the juice has not reached, like your crown area, the sides of your head. To that area you can apply the leftover juice. And what you need to do after this is massage your hairs for good 7 to 10 minutes. Massaging your hair will increase the blood circulation and help the onion juice to seep in your scalp very nicely. So this is all you need to do. Massage your hair and feel it. Feel the juice getting sucked inside your scalp. It is going to provide all the nourishment to your hair. After this, tie the hair into a bun with the help of a section clip or a clutcher. After tying the bun, what I do is I apply the leftover onto my hairline, because this is the area that recedes the fastest. So it is very important to apply the juice on your hairline. Leave this onto your hair for 1 hour and then wash your hairs. After washing, you may be considering about the smell. So the smell goes after applying a good shampoo and a conditioner. After that, you can also apply a hair serum which will help to give your hair a good nourishment. So this is how you can stop your hair fall, give your hair proper nourishment. Like our skin, our hair also needs good nourishment. Like we apply face pack onto your skin on our face, similarly we need hair packs to be applied on our hair to give them the proper nourishment and care. So stay tuned for more such videos. Till the next time, bye bye, take care.